Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel and welcome to this look at the range being offered by Italeri for 2026. Of course, the headline for any range are the new toolings, and in 2026 Italeri is kicking off with a new 1/48 scale kit of the ever popular SM79 Spaviero. This will come with photo etched parts and decal schemes for the Aeronautica Militare of World War II. Also from the Italian Air Force is this new 1/48 scale Macchi MC202 Folgore, again with photo etched parts details and markings for aircraft in Italian and German service. In 1/72 scale there's a new tooled kit of the Macchi M346 Master Advanced Trainer and Light Combat Aircraft. Decal schemes included are Italian, Israeli and Polish aircraft. For the military vehicle enthusiast, there's a new kit of the German Opel Blitz 4x4 truck in 1/35 scale. I know that will be very popular. From the civilian world, there's a new set of the Mercedes-Benz SSK Roadster in the impressive 1/12 scale, most suitable for a vehicle of which only 4 or 5 originals still exist. More widely made and still driven, of course, is the Vespa PX125 of 1978, now available in this new kit at 1/9 scale. Several vehicles are being reissued with new parts. In their famous 1/24 scale range of trucks come the Iveco Turbostar, the Iveco S-Way low roof and the Volvo V12 intercooler medium roof. Also in 1/24 scale are the Fiat 131 and Lancia Delta Integrale in their Safari Rally setups. The Lancia also has a Safari reissue in 1/12 scale. In 1/35 scale, the Abrams M1 tank has new parts as the Tusk Urban Survival variant. The final kit benefiting from a parts upgrade is the huge MAS Series 2A torpedo boat in 1/35 scale. Many kits are being reintroduced, some with new decals and some with their original scheme options. Mirage 3C is back in 1/32 scale, this with markings for French, Argentine or South African Air Force aircraft. In 1/48 scale, the T6G Texan is back, as is the Spitfire Mark 9, this time in an Aces boxing. The Israeli Kafir and American F-15C fighters are back, and the Douglas SBD is a new catalogue entry, although it was released last September. Also back in 1/48 scale are the Eurocopter Tiger and the Augusta Bell 205. Plenty of kits are coming back at 1/72 scale. The huge Messerschmitt Me323 Gigant is back, along with the Junkers Ju-88A17 torpedo bomber, the Junkers Ju-188A1 and the Dornier Do-217J1 night fighter. The Focke-Wulf 190A8 returns in an Aces boxing, and the American B-17F and Italian Kant Z1007 also return to the catalogue. From the jet age come the Douglas OA4M Skyhawk II, the Rafale B 2-seater, the AV-8B and Harrier GR3 jump jets, and the MB-339 trainer. From the American War Machine are the F-104S Starfighter and F-15E Eagle fighters, the F-111 bomber, RF-4 reconnaissance aircraft and the KC-135 tanker. Helicopters returning in 1/72 scale are the HH-53C Super Jolly Green Giant, the AH-1D Super Cobra, the AS-332 Super Puma and the Kamov KA-52 Alligator. On to the vehicles, and the 1/35 scale range gets some welcome returns. The Panther D, Tiger 1E, Panzer 38T-F and the Jagdpanzer Hetzer all come back, as do the SWS half-track with a Flak 43 anti-aircraft gun, the Carro Armato L640 and the GMC 38B1 with its 90mm gun. Also back into the catalogue are the Dodge WC-54 ambulance and the WC-62 1.5 tonne 6x6 truck. There's the Cold War T-55 tank and the modern VLTM Lince tactical vehicle. In 1/72nd scale come the M8 Greyhound, the M60A2 tank and the current AS-42 Sahariana. In civilian vehicles, the 1/24th scale truck range sees the return of the Black Thunder Australian truck, the Freightliner Aerodyne and Ford Aeromax 106 from America, the DAF XF95 and DAF 1300 fire ladder, and two Mercedes-Benz specials, the wrecker truck and the dumper truck. In the car range, there is the return of the Ford Transit and Range Rover police car, the Toyota Land Cruiser in safari colours, and Motorsport's Porsche 956 and the original Lancia Delta Integrale. In the catalogue for the first time are the Fiat 500 Abarth, Lamborghini Murcielago and Gallardo, all of which were launched at the end of 2025. There's also the return of the matchless G50 motorbike in 1/9 scale. Finally, there's the return of some 1/72nd scale figures. There's Highlanders from Waterloo in 1815, and from the Battle of Austerlitz in 1805 there are Russian Grenadiers, Austrian infantry, French infantry, and Russian and Austrian general officers. There's even a diorama set of the town of Sokolnitz, which includes the Austerlitz infantry plus some French hussars. So that's it for Italeri this year. I hope you found the video useful. Thanks very much for watching today, and goodbye.